How to use a top tether strap on a forward-facing harnessed car seat. Hi, I'm Emily. I'm a CPST. Let's talk about it. The top tether is a critical safety feature that protects your child by reducing their forward head motion in a crash. That makes it less likely for their head to strike the back of the seat in front of them or another part of the car. Here are 3 steps to using your top tether correctly. Step 1. Get a tight installation at the belt path first. Use the lower anchors or the vehicle seatbelt, not both, and check for less than an inch of movement side to side and front to back using the force of a firm handshake. Remember that top tether is not tightening your installation, it's reducing forward head motion. If you attach and tighten the top tether first, it may lift the seat up and make it more difficult to get that tight installation. Step 2, read your vehicle owner's manual to locate your top tether anchors and learn how to route the tether strap. Top tether anchors have been required in the United States since 2001, but the location and routing varies widely from vehicle to vehicle, so read your owner's manual carefully. And step 3, attach the hook of the tether strap to the anchor in your car and just remove the slack. Ta-da! Always read and follow your specific car seat and vehicle manuals.